Alright, here's a quick video. So we bought this Surlatab air fryer at Costco at Christmas last year. And other brands that look a lot like this, almost exactly like this, have a removable door, so it's easier to clean. Well, this guy did not have a removable door. And so I took it all apart and even took the door apart. Don't take the door apart. Getting the glass back on is kind of fiddly. Didn't like that at all. And so I got to where it was just too much frustration to get all the way down to where they had put in these little tabs. And so what I put it all back together and said, I'm just going to cut those out. So that's what I did today using one of these reciprocating saw tools. And basically, they sit in there. Let me see if I can get you a little light. And all I did was cut those off, and then the door, turn off the light again. There we go. And then the door just tilts and lifts out, just like the other off brands do. And so these little tabs, unfortunately, when I cut them, they fell inside and I couldn't pull them out through the slot. So I had to open up the bottom and pull them out through the bottom. But other than that, it's not a very difficult job. The reciprocating tool made it very clean and easy to cut through it. So now it's a removable door, much easier to clean.